Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Salam. This is Amit Kapoor. Today I'm going to talk about weekly prediction, which has started to 22nd of Feb 2021 to 28th of Feb 2021. You know very well my all predictions are based on your ascendant sign, nothing to do with the moon sign or zodiac sign. Let's start for the Aries ascendants. Aries ascendants from 22nd of Feb to 28th of Feb 2021. You need to be careful while signing any document. Don't show your trust on strangers and try to put your more efforts at your workplace. You are not happy, you are not satisfied because Mars is in conjunction between Rahu Ketu, two natural malefic planets, and your ascendant lord hemmed between Rahu Ketu, which is not very promising. So you need to be careful during this time. Don't show your trust on anyone. Don't invest your money as an investment in stock market or anywhere, because you may get some type of problem related to your investments. Just put your 100% efforts at your workplace. If you are in job, then you need to perform your best to make your seniors satisfied and happy. Otherwise you will be a part of any problem. Otherwise you will be a part of any tension, stress will arise. So you need to be careful and must chant mantra Om Sita Ram Shah Hanumate Namah. Must read Hanuman Chalisa before you sleep 3 times, 5 times. It will be very helpful for you. It is this whole week from 22nd of Feb to 28th of Feb, you need to perform your best. Just give your 100% best if you want to grow. Otherwise, this whole week will brings a lot of negative energy. You're feeling very down and upset. You're not in a comfort zone. Even you are not enjoying yourself because some work will be pending and you are trying to put your 100% effort to clear your work, which is create some problem because you are trying your best, but you never get a good response in this week. So try to make a good relationship with your friends and family. Must take blessings from your mother's side, and mother health will be a matter of concern. Monday and Tuesday will be a struggling days for you when you will face a lot of obstacles, hurdles related to your profession. Don't give any promise to anyone to deliver anything, otherwise your promise never fulfilled. During this week, you need to be careful about your health. Must go for the blood test and urine test once in a week. And Wednesday and Thursday you will feel bit better, but this is not very promising week for you. Wednesday and Thursday, some unexpected expenditures will irritate you. You are not in a comfort zone, you are feeling very low energy, and your things are not working as per your expectations. It is just need to be patient and must chant Lord Hanuman mantra or must chant Lord Hanuman Chalisa every night before you sleep. You will definitely feel good energy and positive mind. Now I'm going to talk about Friday and Saturday. Friday and Saturday is you will get mixed result. In the day of Friday, you will feel much relaxed because your seniors will be satisfied from your performance, and you will earn very good money from your investments. But that earning is not as per your expectations. So you need to be careful while investing your money. This whole week is not very promising for you, and must give respect to your spouse, must give respect to your elders at home, and health of your mother will be a matter of concern on the day of Friday and Saturday. You take care of your mother health, try to put your efforts at your workplace. If you want to grow, if you want to do something extraordinary then you need to perform the best. Just deliver your best at your workplace, then you will definitely get good results. Now I'm going to talk about Taurus ascendants. Taurus ascendants from 22nd of Feb to 28th of Feb 2021. This whole week brings a lot of stress for you. You are not mentally happy. You're feeling very low energy. Even your arrogance nature, your stomach, your arrogance nature and your behavior is not very promising about with your colleagues at your workplace or with your husband or with your loved one. So you need to be careful. Mars Rahu conjunction is in your first house. Jupiter Saturn is in your 9th house. Your good fortune is in your favor, there is no doubt. But your ascendant lord is also combust. You need to be careful from 22nd of Feb to 28th of Feb. If you give your money to someone, you never get back. This is not very promising time for you. Guys, you need to perform your best if you want to grow. Otherwise, you will be a part of any problem. Just need to perform your best and but do whatever you are doing with the honesty. And second, Taurus, in the family front, you will face a lot of up and down. Your family is not supporting you. Even your family will, demanding something from you which you are not going to deliver. So, relationship with your family, relationship with your colleagues, relationship with your seniors will be under shadow during this week. From 22nd of Feb to 28th of Feb, you will face a lot of obstacles, lot of hurdles, lot of delays at your work. So if you are waiting to someone, if you are waiting to some good news, then this whole week brings this whole week brings lot of challenge for you, and you need to be patient because this is not very promising week for you. Don't show your arrogance nature, don't show your egoistic nature, or don't be stubborn in front of your spouse or your loved one. Otherwise you will face a lot of problems, lot of obstacles, and a lot of issues in your relationship as well as your professional life. Be positive, do your best, because ninth lord is in ninth house, will definitely protect you. And now I'm going to talk about Gemini ascendants. This whole week from 22nd of Feb to 28th of Feb, you will be a part of any type of problem. Some legal matters will arise, and some unexpected expenditures will irritate you. Monday and Tuesday, you are not feeling comfortable, you're feeling very low energy, and your health is not very promising. And this whole week brings very mixed results for you. Monday and Tuesday, you need to be careful while signing any document. You need to be careful while talking with your near and dears, because your relationship will under shadow. You try to give respect to your father and grandfather. Gemini, this whole week brings a lot of up and down. Wednesday and Thursday will be a good days for you, but you need to be careful while talking with others. You need to be careful while start anything new. This is not very productive time to start anything new. Just try to perform your best if you want to grow. Otherwise you will face a lot of problems, a lot of obstacles, and you will face a lot of hurdles, because Gemini this whole week brings lot of problem at your workplace. If you are jobless, you are trying to find a job but you are failed because dynamics is not in favor. But if you have a good Mahadasha like Mercury Mahadasha, Saturn Mahadasha, or Venus Mahadasha, you may get some achievements, but transit is not helping for you. If you are interested to settle in foreign land, then this week give you very good opportunity, because Jupiter, Saturn, especially Jupiter, fifth aspect is in your 12th house. You will get very good response from foreign. If you are applying for work permit, you will get work permit. If you are applying for PR, you will get PR. Foreign activities will make you happy, and you will enjoy a lot of good things. Just need to perform your best and wait for the right moment. Be patient, be humble, and always try to perform your best with honesty. Gemini, this whole week brings a lot of challenge for you. Be strong from inside and face this challenge. You will definitely learn some new things in your life which will help you a lot in near future. Now I'm going to talk about Cancer ascendants. Cancer ascendants, 22nd of Feb to 28th of Feb, you will see a very positive results in the terms of your profession. Some unexpected money will make you happy. Monday and Tuesday is very rewarding days. Your old investment give you very fruitful result. You will enjoy all around success. Monday and Tuesday, you will earn a lot of money from your profession, and you will get a lot of new opportunities from other place. If you want to start something new, then you may start in this week, because Mars Rahu conjunction is in your 11th house, which is very good for you. Some new business opportunities you will enjoy, and some new business associates will know you. If you wanna invest your money, you must invest. This is very productive week for you, and you will enjoy all around success. Your siblings will support you, and you will enjoy all around success, and your siblings, your family, your friends will support you. And there is strong chances for some long distance and short distance journeys related to your profession, and you will get a lot of benefits. Monday and Tuesday, you will be blessed with a big amount of money, and you will enjoy very good time. Your savings will rise. You will enjoy multiple sources of earning. Wednesday and Thursday, you again enjoy your good health and a good relationship with your siblings. And Monday and Tuesday will be a biggest game changer days for you, when you feel much relaxed and comfort, and you will earn a lot of money. Just try to perform your best with the honesty. You will definitely rock in this week. Cancer, perform your best, do your best. You are winner in all aspects of your life in the week of February from 22nd to 28th Feb. Friday and Saturday, you will see you will plan some, short trip with your family or friends, and that trip will make you happy. You will enjoy very good time with your family and friends. There's all-round success store in this week for you. Just chant the mantra Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya. Perform your best. You will definitely achieve a lot of good things. Thank you for watching my video. Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Salam, Jai Hind.